In this short training video, I'm going to show you how to navigate your Data Manager spread base in different ways. Hi, my name is James from PocketSurvey. This channel is all about helping you become a more efficient surveyor, so please subscribe to see more videos of our surveying software. We've already seen you've got the top sheet and the bottom sheet where you can navigate through the records. I'm going to show you how to use the Navigator, which will display your records in a tree structure. So we click on the Navigator button and you'll see here a tree view. You can open up the tree by clicking the plus and the minuses. It's organised by town, and when you click on the town, all the records in the top sheet get highlighted for that particular town. If we choose another town, just the one record gets selected. You can also see at the bottom of the screen here the number of records. So if we click on Accrington, we can see there's 3 records for Accrington. So in this way you can navigate through your records quite easily. And if you want to go and select these, you can right click and do View Current Selection and choose Current Columns. And now you can see just those records that you selected from the tree. What you can also do with this navigation tree is to add another level. So at the moment we're displaying it town, address and ID, but say for example you wanted to organise it by client. So we can click on the tree button and add a new field and double click and choose client organisation, and I'm selecting the first letter C to pick the record I want. Now you can see it's organised by client. If we change the view to everything in the database by clicking the Show All Data button, we can see here we've got 2 clients, Eon Housing and Tesco. And that way you can navigate through your database in a tree structure. So let's turn the Navigator back off. What I'd like to show you just one final thing is the layout will let you display the top sheet, the bottom sheet and also a side sheet. So in this way you can navigate into the top and bottom sheets. This will also take into account the views. So if we choose all data, you can see all the data in that side sheet. So this way you can navigate in numerous ways. We call this a tri-pane layout. If we click it again, we'll get what we call the table layout, which shows the top sheet and the bottom sheet. So that's it for now. By all means, check out the other videos and sign up to see new videos that are going to be released shortly. Please feel free to ask any questions below or contact me via the PocketSurvey website. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. If you want to find out more, please join our mailing list and download the trial app, or book a demonstration via PocketSurvey.com.